I hear a lot about scale. I hear about data and the importance of data. I think a question that was asked was, why not standardize the inspection scheme under one platform and database? And that seems to be targeted at the both of you, you know. Why not just combine your databases, standardize your inspection schemes, reduce the ability for parties, very commercial parties, to arbitrage your results, and less work for the owners. Wouldn't that also improve the accuracy of perhaps some of your algorithmic models with a bigger database set?
Yeah, I'll kick us off. So I think standardization, we hear it time and again. I think, you know, it has so much value and so much opportunities, and actually our organizations, you know, are in dialogue and have been discussing. But I think it's not just between the service providers, it's those who are using the inspections, and that's where often the challenge lies. I think OCIMF, the SIRE regime, you can see the value in a standardized approach, not without its flaws, but I think, you know, has been a big success and provides a lot of value. Certainly when we talk about the dry side, you talked about sort of multiple inspections. We see it, you know, whilst there's very strong offerings already there, the Rightship inspection, Idwal, we see many charterers mandating their own inspections as well. It's that sort of age-old challenge in terms of trying to bring everyone together to align on what's enough. Everyone has slightly different risks that they might be looking at and wants to go about it in different ways. I think on specifically talking about the dry side, the Dry Bulk Centre of Excellence is now up and running and starting to pick up pace. I think that's something that will be really interesting to see how that moves forward. There's a real opportunity there for that to unite stakeholders, not just from the charterer side, but also owners and managers, and bring people together and have those sort of conversations to move us towards this. So I think we're all agree, but it's, as ever, it's a challenge to achieve.
I don't think I could put it much better, to be honest with you. I think that sums it up. And I think probably the only nuance I would add on to it is it does come down to that end use of the inspection as well. The inspections that I most enjoy us doing, if you like, is where it's a real sort of partnership with the owner and either their in-house or the third-party managers, and the crew are briefed on board. Look, Idwal are coming on board, but we just want to know the truth about the vessel. If they find defects, you're not in trouble about this, guys. It's for us to really understand so we can properly benchmark. But that's a pretty unique scenario where that's what we sort of call that sort of, it's like a premium sort of improvement, but just in-house for the owner, if you like, you know, and that's what and it's interesting, is the sort of names you would expect in the industry who are looking for that, who are asking us for ESG reporting on their ships, just so that they can understand where they sit in comparison. So